The three things you need in order to have a case are you need to have an injury, you need to not be at fault for that injury, and there needs to be some way to financially recover for your injuries and losses. In order to determine whether your injury is sufficient enough to need a personal injury lawyer or to bring a claim, one way to consider that is, was your injury sufficient enough to need medical treatment? If it is, and if you needed physical therapy or even just simply one doctor's appointment, it might be enough to warrant bringing a claim. In Indiana, we're required to produce medical testimony to prove your case. And if you haven't treated with a medical provider, a doctor specifically, then we can't prove your case and you don't have a claim. In order to recover for your injuries, you can't be the primary person at fault for your injuries. What that effectively means is somebody else has to be at least 51% at fault for what happened. In Indiana, if you're at fault for your own injuries, it's a complete bar to recovery, and there's nothing we can help you with. Ultimately, car accidents and other injuries, there can be lots of various factors that contribute to fault. And so if there's any question, then reach out to a lawyer and see if they can help you with your case. 99% of the time, when I help a person recover for what they've been through, it's a recovery from an insurance company. Ultimately, we are not in the business of trying to take people's money or houses or assets away from them if they cause an injury. We are looking for insurance resources, whether through the defendant or through your own policy, to help you recover. If you have a question or think that maybe you weren't more at fault than someone else, then you should talk with a lawyer and see if they can help you.